Again this
Jamaica,
afternoon
watch
with the
this.
tragic news that the body of a missing Manchester woman was found in Pepper St. Elizabeth sometime after 9 o'clock this morning. 40-year-old Cadesia McLeod was reported missing on Wednesday after she was last seen entering a red Honda Fit outside her place of work along Caledonia Road in Manchester. Residents stumbled upon her body and alerted the authorities. She had several wounds to her upper body, including what appeared to be a gunshot wound. The red Honda Fit was later recovered in Luana, St. Elizabeth. Meanwhile, investigators are exploring the possibility that the case may be a murder. This after the body of a man believed to be the main suspect was also found earlier today in Standfast in Brownstown, St. Anne. Police believe the man, 50-year-old Maurice Fennell from St. James, died by suicide. Our newsroom spoke to an eyewitness.
When me get up, me jump up and see daylight. Go in the kitchen for my phone. Look at what time at the boat, 7 or 8 minutes to 6. So by me reach back in the hall, I go back in my room now. Me hear the clang, 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 fast like a rocket. So, my hall window now, me left you open kind of house satanic curtain jar. So me stand up which part me dey in the hall and start peep out the door. When me look now, me see my neighbor, husband and wife. A squeaky come out of the house and I go up to the gate, but them a tiptoe. So me I wonder why, so me turn up same place. And the wall now have some like a black hole in there, so me see man kind of bend like and I peep through the wall them. And then me see him look up over the wall, and then me see him pull the gate and go through the gate. And by the time he go through the gate, me see him put in 2 hands on his head and start holler. And me bust the door now and go up on the veranda and start say, Gary, how? And he not answer me. And then me see woman run like human go in the house. And me see how and he say, Gary friend from Mobile shooting himself. And me see him lie down with the gun in the hand and everything. Not really in the hand, but in cross the hand and the gun did it.
From the information we would have received, Mr. Fennell would have came here from yesterday where he visited his friend. From information we have received thus far, Mr. Fennell was under a person of interest in a case of a missing female in the Manchester division, and he was wanted for question in relation to that. It is also said that he was suffering from some depression.